Hey, I'm Savannah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing my no makeup look. I love doing these types of looks in the summer because it's just super lightweight and simple. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Gold Light. This step is super important for this makeup look because it'll just give you a really natural glow all over your face. So you could apply this like as a primer and just put this everywhere, but I'm just going to put this on the high points of my face. So it's not like a super intense glow, it's just really natural, and that's what you want for like no makeup look. And I'm going to put some on my nose. So next I'm going to be using the MAC Face and Body Foundation in the shade C5. You want something that's super lightweight for this makeup look. So that's why I'm using this foundation, because it's super light coverage and you want to make sure you shake it up before you use it. So now I'm going to apply this just directly to my face. Then I'm going to be taking a brush to blend this out. So this doesn't give me like any coverage at all. It's basically just going to even out my skin tone. I love this foundation, especially for summer, because it is just so natural and it doesn't even feel like that you have anything on your skin. And then I'm just going over everything with my beauty blender because this will make the foundation look even more natural. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Concealer in the shade Peach. This concealer is perfect for no makeup looks because it just cancels out any dark circles under your eyes. I don't really like using a super brightening concealer for no makeup looks because I think a color corrector just looks so much more natural. Now I'm going to set that in place with the Hourglass setting powder, and I'm really just going to press this into my skin. And I don't think I'm going to set the rest of my face because I don't want my skin to look too matte or anything. So now I'm going to do my brows. I'm just going to brush them up first. And then I'm just using this Urban Decay brow blade. And I'm just going to fill my brows in just a little bit. Okay, so that's it for brows, nothing too crazy. And then now I'm going to go straight into blush because I'm not going to do a bronzer or anything. So I'm going to use the Kylie Blush in the shade Baddie on the Block. I don't want to use too much. I just want my cheeks to have just a little bit of color since we aren't doing a bronzer. And this blush is a good one for no makeup looks because it's just a really simple matte blush. And then all I'm going to use for highlight is the Dominque Cosmetics Skin Gloss. Just looks like this. This is really pretty and natural. So I just put a little bit on my finger and then press this into my skin. So to finish off the look, I'm going to be using the Kylie Gloss in the shade Daddy's Girl. It's just a pinky gloss. Okay, so that is going to complete this makeup look. I will have all the products that I used linked down below in the description box. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video.